the channel everyone, and in this video we are going to study about box layout. Now our row layout was enabling us to arrange the elements or views next to one another. In box layout it helps us to layer views on top of one other. I am starting with a column. I am going to give it a height 100 dp, width 100 dp, and background color gray. And then I'm going to create here another column with slightly smaller height of 80 dp and width of 160 dp, and the background color green. You can see that the column or the view which we wrote first in the code is behind the one which we put later. We can say that we are using the box layout to layer views on top of one another. Later, when we will discuss more complex layouts, we will see where we can make the best use of this box and how we can use the nested layouts